Hey guys, welcome back. This is a quick tutorial on CNC breakout. So in film, CNC is often used to create quick, repeated pieces, and people model items with the intention of using it in CNC routing, but they don't fully know how to break it out sometimes, and I've prepared quite a few files for this. So I just wanted to show you my quick method for doing so. So as you can see, we have these three objects. I've put them on their own layers so that you can clearly define which object is which. And all of these items are all made from flat profiles. So at one point they were probably sketched in 2D, but we no longer have those sketches. We just have the 3D object. So this is how I would go about doing this. Grab all the objects and pull them apart, rotate them so that they face in one direction flat. So we know our stock is only cutting in one direction on a router table. We have everything on different planes, don't worry about this. Now, by clicking Command Shift on the Mac or Control Shift on the PC, you can select faces. By doing so, I can now type in the command dupe border, which duplicates all of the bordering edges with curves. Now I can type in, with the line selected, isolate, and that will hide all of my 3D objects so that I can just work with these curves. I will now go into the top view and type in project to C-plane. It's going to ask me if I want to delete the original and place the new object on the C-plane, and yes, I do want to do that. And as you can see in the perspective view, that all of these items are now flat to the C-plane, obviously. Now I'm going to nest the objects so that they're nice and tight together, because that's the way they would be done on a CNC machine. I'll just group this one. Now this is not optimally nested, but just to give you an example. And then normally I would move the objects right to, close to the origin. So now we're ready to export this file and send it off to the contractor doing the routing, or the department doing the routing. So I would select these items, go to Export Selected, and I would choose AutoCAD DWG. You can go into the options and choose Export Scheme. I always use 2007 polylines, and that has always worked for me. I will type in CNC just to randomly name this file. And there, you're done. That file should be completely usable by the operator. They will probably re-nest the objects for efficiency's sake. And normally I would leave a note from the drafting tools just saying make ×2. Oops. And I would bring down that scale. And just put notes on a separate layer, just saying how many of each object needs to be made. So that sums up the whole tutorial. I hope you really liked it. If you did, please like or subscribe or leave a comment if you have a more efficient way. Thanks a lot. See you later.